If Telegram is not sending the verification code to your phone, then follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent Telegram from sending the code. Switch to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data and test your internet connection by opening a website or using other apps. Also, wait and retry. Telegram might be experiencing a temporary issues with their servers. Wait for a few minutes and then retry the process, and you can also restart the Telegram app and try again. After you do this, double check your phone number format to ensure there are no errors. Ensure you have entered the correct phone number including the correct country code. After all this, if this still does not work, then simply go to the App Store and search for the Telegram X app and download it. Go to the App Store, now go to the search area. Now type down Telegram X and you will get to see the first option available there. Tap on it and download it and log in via using Telegram X app. So, after you do so, go back to the Telegram Messenger app again and try updating the Telegram. An outdated app might cause issues with verification. So if there is an update option available, simply ensure you are using the latest version and update the app if necessary. So after you have done all this, simply go to the Settings app on your mobile device. Then tap on the General option available there. Inside General, tap on the iPhone storage. Then scroll down from the list of apps and look for the Telegram app and tap on it. Then tap on the Upload app and reinstall it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.